So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Thursday 24th of May. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had prices prices have encountered resistance in around this 1296, from which we've had a brief break above the level. We weren't able to hold the level, and what we did see was sell side mid to come back into the market to take us down towards this 1288 here on. Take us down towards this 1288 here on the XAUUSD, from which we have seen a bullish buy side momentum come into the market to retest that 1296. So more recently we've had a series of higher lows and consolidations beneath this 1296. So if we can see, our most recent consolidation has been below the 1296, pretty close towards that level. So if we can see a break and hold of the 1296, we do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average, which is pretty close by, which could potentially act as dynamic level resistance. Coupled with the 1296, see price head down towards that 1288. Failing to hold 1288 as support, we could see price head down towards that 1284. Key important level marked out here in red. And failing to hold the 1284, could potentially see prices head down towards the 1280. 1280, or potentially down towards that 1276 here on the XAUUSD. Now to the upside, if we can see sufficient volatility to break above the 1296 and the 200 period moving average, we were then looking for prices to, if we do break and hold above the 1296 and the 200 period moving average, we're then looking for price regression up towards our 1300. But more importantly, we are looking to see our prices react towards this very strong level on the daily chart in around that 1305. In around that 1305, we've got the added confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from that level. But if we do see sufficient volatility to break above the 1305, I'd expect in around that 1310 to be the far end of the range here to the upside on the XAUUSD. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So over here on the daily chart, what we can see here is from daily chart, after breaking below this 1305 with pretty strong momentum, we've not seen that momentum follow through to the downside. The bears have not held control of this market, and their inability to break prices down further possibly suggests that there is a degree of weakness. They don't have complete control of the market, as to an extent that they did earlier. And as we can see here, we've gotten to a bit of consolidation, lower end of the trading range being on a key important level of that 1284, and upper end of trading range being on a key level of 1296. So, but more importantly, well, if you're a bull, we do appear to be turning around a bit here. We are more recently been posting a series of higher lows, and we appear to be interacting with the 1296 on a frequent basis, suggesting that there is a possibility of seeing a break and a move up towards our 1305, that well-established level of potential resistance. And we will also have to be aware of in around 1307, we do have the 200 period moving average on the daily chart. So in around 1305, 1307, we do have a few confluences, increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum from that level. But if we do break beyond there, 1358 potentially comes into focus. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.